what is emotion. If we misinterpret some experience as emotion and some not, then the clarity will not come. So we need to have a clarity about the emotion. What is exactly emotion? As we tried to have for the matter and the ideas. Emotion is the physiological sensation sensed at the chemical level of the organism, which leads the organism to continue or discontinue with any experience. This is very important to understand, because the clarity of emotion will bring a lot of clarity about our life itself. We often get confused about the emotion. An idea is confused as emotion. Sometimes action is termed as emotion. So we need to identify that emotion is physiologically happening within the body. Physiologically happening within the body, it's happening chemically. There is a chemical response system within all the organisms, which indicate the organism to continue with the experience or not. Suppose I touch fire and I get burned. Now, this burning sensation happening chemically within, it's a pain that is received within the physiology, and that is leading me to take away my hand from the fire. So this is very important aspect. The emotion is the driver of an organism. Emotion is an exclusive matter experience. So emotion itself is a matter for me, because it is happening within the body, right? It's not an idea for me, because it is happening physically, physiologically within the body. So for that specific individual organism, emotion is very much claimed truth. I cannot deny my emotion which is occurring within my body, right? Now, emotion drives the experiencing organism. So the organism which is experiencing that emotion drives the organism. So it's very important aspect for an organism to have emotion. Now, what is the root of this emotion? Matter or the idea? That actually decides a lot of things in our lives that we need to understand. And what is that? Emotion determines whether the organism is energy conserving or innervating itself. Because if I experience an emotion which is unending, which is not ending, if I experience an emotion which is not ending at all, that time what happens? My energy, because this experience needs energy, my experience is depleted by that emotion, right?
Sir, I just want to clarify about the emotion. When we are talking about emotion, that it drives the organism. So here are we talking about emotion like liking and disliking, or the pleasure and the pain that we are experiencing because of something? Uh, is that what we are talking about?
Both the things, the liking,
Okay.
disliking, pain,
Yes.
pleasure, everything,
Yeah.
everything is emotion. If I don't like something, I have pain. That is what is the pain. That
Yeah.
could be a subtler or a gross pain. But if I am not liking, that means I'm actually experiencing some sort of pain. That we need to identify, right? And pleasure
Yeah.
is also the
And
same, the liking. Yes.
yes, one more point, sir.
Yes.
Like when we were talking about the emotion and the matter-driven emotion, when we were talking about that, so basically here what we mean to say is that any emotion that comes from the physical experience from the from all the five senses, like for example, like you took the example of fire.
Yes.
So all the five senses at that point, whatever input, whatever the information is coming through the senses, um, that is the matter driven emotion. Suppose there is fire, I'm feeling hot, that's why I take my hand away. So that taking hand away is the emotion.
Yes.
Yeah. And
That's an
suppose,
action. Just a
yeah,
second. The taking away the hand is an action, but the reason of taking away the hand is the emotion.
okay. So because I was feeling hot, that feeling
Yes.
of hotness is the emotion.
Yes. Which is abnormal for my natural temperature of the body,
Yes.
which may burn my skin. So it's a matter driven emotion which drives me to take my hand away.
Yes. So this is
Right?
where we are talking about the temperature of the skin part. Suppose we take
Yes.
an example of something like looking, like seeing the sun
Yes.
from through the eyes.
Seeing any light source, seeing any, including
Yeah.
sun, looking
Yeah.
at any light source will create pain in my eyes and I'll squeeze my eye.
Yes.
So that's the emotion, that pain experienced by looking at the source of light is that emotion. It's a matter driven
Okay.
emotion, the examples that you
Got it.
brought in. So we'll be having more
Got it.
examples. Now let's
Yes.
understand a bit. Let's try to unfold some of the synonyms of emotion. So emotion is like the chemical experience, physiological experience. So these are the experiences that are termed chemical experience, physiological experience. That is nothing but emotion. We also call emotion as feeling. And in pure nature cure concepts, we call emotion the voice of the organism.